Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create dual smooth zoom in effect using a VN video editor. Okay, before we start the editing, I'm going to show you how the dual smooth zoom in effect looks like. I'm going to play my video. Okay, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create this effect. Okay, I'm going to go back to my VN projects, and then I'm going to click on this plus icon to start creating new project. I'm going to select new project and then choose video based, and then you can choose a photo that you want to edit, or actually you can apply it to video, but in this tutorial I'm just going to use a photo. Okay, I'm going to choose I'm going to select this album, and I'm going to choose one of my photos here. This one, guys. I'm just going to use the same photo, and I'm going to click on next, and we're going to delete the VN ending. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate this photo, so we can click on the photo and select duplicate. Then we're going to make it as an overlay, so we're going to go to the PIP track. Okay, and tap on the second photo, and then you're going to click on fit to fit the screen, and we're going to add keyframe. To add the keyframe, you can click on your photo, and then you're going to select keyframe here, and then we're going to move to the end part of this photo and add the second keyframe, and then you're going to zoom in like this. You can zoom in according to your needs, and then I'm going to go to the opacity and reduce the opacity to 0%. All right, and then we're going to add curve in the middle between two keyframes, between the first keyframe and also the second keyframe. I'm going to add it here, select the curve, and then we're going to choose this one, quartile. And finally, you will have this dual smooth zoom in effect in a VN. Okay, done for the effect. Okay, and then if you want to export your video, you can click on this export icon, and I recommend you to choose the best resolution for your video. You can choose 4K resolution. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!